Pydantic AI's agent resolves the question of which tools an LLM may invoke by composing toolsets at construction time. And the CombinedToolset class serves as the mechanism that merges separate tool collections into a single available set for a given run. The visible code imports two pre-built toolsets, constructs a CombinedToolset from them, instantiates a test model for inspection, wires the CombinedToolset into the agent constructor, and then runs the agent with a prompt that queries available tools, printing the resolved tool names from the model request parameters.
From Pydantic AI Import Agent, CombinedToolset. From Pydantic AI Models, Test Import Test Model. From FunctionToolset Import DataTime Toolset, Weather Toolset. CombinedToolset equals CombinedToolset Weather Toolset, DataTime Toolset. TestModel equals TestModel #1. Agent equals AgentTestModel. Toolsets equals CombinedToolset. Result equals agent. Run sync what tools are available. Print T. Name for T in TestModel last model request parameters function tools. Temperature Celsius, temperature Fahrenheit, conditions now.
CombinedToolset merges multiple toolsets into one, letting you register them as a single unit via the toolset's argument to agent. Here, Weather Toolset and DataTime Toolset are combined, and the agent sees all four tools: temperature Celsius, temperature Fahrenheit, conditions, and now. The pattern avoids redundant toolset registration across agents, keeping composition logic in one place. You can swap the CombinedToolset in and out of different agents or override contexts without re-registering individual toolsets each time. Let's break it down line by line.
From Pydantic AI Import Agent, CombinedToolset.
Imports agent and CombinedToolset from Pydantic AI for agent construction and toolset management.
From Pydantic AI Models, Test Import Test Model.
Imports test model from Pydantic AI Models Test, a test-friendly model class for Pydantic AI framework used during development and testing.
From FunctionToolset Import DataTime Toolset, Weather Toolset.
Imports two toolset modules, DataTime Toolset and Weather Toolset, from FunctionToolset for later use.
CombinedToolset equals CombinedToolset Weather Toolset, DataTime Toolset.
Creates a CombinedToolset by grouping Weather Toolset and DataTime Toolset into a single CombinedToolset instance.
TestModel equals TestModel #1.
Instantiates a TestModel object and binds it to the variable TestModel.
Agent equals AgentTestModel. Toolsets equals CombinedToolset.
Creates a Pydantic AI agent bound to TestModel and registered with CombinedToolset as its toolset.
Result equals agent. Run sync what tools are available.
Calls the agent's synchronous run method with the prompt, what tools are available, and stores the returned run result in result.
Print T. Name for T in TestModel last model request parameters function tools.
Prints a list of tool names that were attached to the most recent model request. CombinedToolset is the glue that turns multiple toolsets into one unit you hand to agent via the toolset's argument, which is exactly how the agent knows which tools to expose. The test model gives you a way to inspect what the agent actually resolved, last model request parameters. Function Tools shows the four merged tool names. The whole point is composability. Build the CombinedToolset once, wire it into agent, and you avoid re-registering toolsets everywhere. Swap it in, swap it out. Composition stays in one place.
TestModel lists every tool the agent will never call Fahrenheit. And now waving goodbye